Hello everyone and welcome on the board. Today's problem is 6 divided by 2 parenthesis 1 plus 2. Look closely, there is a multiplication sign you cannot see between the 2 and the parenthesis. That's invisible sign. Here is what not to do. Don't multiply 2 by the parenthesis first. That gives 6 divided by 6. The famous answer 1, tempting, wrong. Now the right way. PEMDAS, remember PEMDAS, P parenthesis, E exponent, M multiplication, D division, equal rank left to right, A addition, S subtraction, equal rank left to right. So P first, 1 plus 2 is 3. Now the invisible sign is still a multiplication. So the problem becomes 6 divided by 2 times 3. Multiplication and division are equal left to right. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then 3 times 3 is 9. That is the answer. Your turn. 12 divided by 3, parenthesis 1 plus 1. Same rules. Pause the video, solve it, and write your answer in the comment. I'll pin the correct one. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thanks for learning with me today. See you in the next one.